So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enter meeting code in Google Meet. So let's get started. For that reason, first of all, let me just open up my Google Meet account like this. And now you need to go with the code option right beside the search contact option. So tap on that. And now you need to simply type in the code, not the whole link. You just type in the code right beside the meet.com. So my code is, I will now type in like SYNJUKNNPH. Then simply tap on the join button, and then we will turn off the camera, microphone, that as well. Then simply go with the join button, and there you have it. So that's how you can simply enter meeting code in Google Meet while using your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.